So why does my Apple Watch keep asking for passcode? Let me explain it, and if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So passcode is a good thing, I guess, because it's making your Apple Watch secure and everything, and it is actually required to set up Apple Pay, or if you want to pay with your watch, you need to have the passcode set up. So yes, you can go to your settings and find the passcode, turn it on, and set one up like this, right? And I'm going to click on use it anyway, confirm it, and this is my passcode. But the point is that if I put my Apple Watch on my wrist, right, you can see there is a wrist detection feature. If I put it on my wrist like this, and it knows that it's actually not somewhere on the desk or somewhere put away, but it actually feels the contact of my skin, then it's not going to require the passcode every time I look at the watch and unlock it, right? It will be able to get inside, right? No problem, right? But if you have the passcode enabled without the wrist detection, it is likely that you will always need to be typing that in, and it might keep on asking the passcode all the time. So that's something that you would probably need to have enabled like this, right? So as you can see, right now it's fully disabled, and I always need to type in the code. So even though it can technically feel that it's connected to my wrist like that, I always have to type in the code to get inside. So as I say, the important part is the wrist detection. So just go to the settings, passcode, and make sure that wrist detection is enabled as such, and you will have the ability to make sure that you don't always have to retype it again. But still, even with this feature enabled, if you take the Apple Watch off the wrist and lock it or put it away, wait some time, you will then again be asked for the passcode out of security purposes. So that's how you can keep it, and that's why it's asking you for the passcode all the time. But it is actually a feature, depends on whether you have the wrist detection enabled or not. But that's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you later.